Hello, Kenta's friends. In this video, we will discuss the top 3 keyboard applications for Android devices. If you often use your Android device for typing, then this video is perfect for you. We will review highly useful keyboard apps, ranging from advanced features to exceptional predictive abilities. So, let's watch the following discussion. Swiftkey. Swiftkey is one of the best keyboard applications for Android. It is highly accurate text prediction and learns the user's typing style. The app has various features, including autocorrect, prediction, emoticons, and customizable themes. Swiftkey also supports over 300 languages and offers a wide selection of emojis. Users can also customize the height and width of the keyboard according to their preferences. Typewise Offline. Typewise Offline is the best keyboard for Android users who want to type quickly and accurately. The app uses a unique hexagonal keyboard layout, which makes the button targets larger and helps prevent typing errors. Typewise also claims to improve typing speed by up to 40%. Additionally, the app has smart text prediction and multilingual support. Smart Keyboard. Smart Keyboard is a keyboard application developed to enhance the typing experience on Android devices. It offers various features like autocorrect, auto-capitalization, and word prediction. The app also has several customizable themes and adjustable button and layout appearances. Smart Keyboard supports multiple languages, and users can easily switch between different languages. That concludes the review of the top 3 keyboard applications for Android devices. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.